Hello students, how are you? Hope you all well and safe at home. Okay, now we are going to learn cursive writing. For that you need two-line note, pencil, ruler, eraser and sharpener. Let's go into our handwriting class. In a two-line note, the first line is called as top line. The next line is called as bottom line, which is parallel to the top line. You imagine there is a line in between top line and bottom line. This red imagined line is called as imaginary line. The first parallel two lines is called as first line. The next parallel two line is called as next line. Let's go into practice. Draw a slanting line using ruler like this. Make sure draw 6 slanting lines in a line and complete all the lines in a page. Let's practice curve 1. Start from imaginary line just before the slanting line. Draw a curve downwards and it goes on the slanting line upwards and bend the curve downwards and ends it on an imaginary line. I repeat it again. Draw a curve from imaginary line and draw a line on slanting line upwards and bend the curve downwards up to the imaginary line. Watch it carefully again. Write it neatly like this. You have to note this point. The bended area between two curves should be the same. I write it again. Practice this curve minimum 2 pages. Hope you all practice well. Catch you all again in next class.